Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I want you to see this here. This is the AC1200. I've been using these all around the property here. I'm in a huge workshop area now, and we've been using these for our network access points. And we've been having, we had problems before, not anymore. So pick up some of these things here. This is a TP-Link, and it's the Omada, super easy to configure, and it's going to give you an access point with big old antennas. I think they might even be able to detach these antennas and put other ones on. Here's some information about kind of how it works, but we've got these things all over the place here, and they are perfectly great. So if you guys need some of these are great. I actually did a whole Humane Society with a bunch of these things around there too, so they were able to have internet around the whole place. So these are super cool. Thumbs up from me on these. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.